Are you a business owner with great ideas for social media posts, but you struggle to turn them into high quality content? Or maybe you don't want to keep asking ChatGPT because you forget the right prompt or the responses don't always come out the way you want? Well, Keywords Everywhere has something fast, simple, and easy you could use. So this tool is called the Social Media Post Generator, and it's totally free. You get 50,000 AI tokens, but if you want more, you can add your Keywords Everywhere API key, and your tokens will increase depending on which Keywords Everywhere plan you're on. So this Social Media Post Generator will generate ready to publish posts for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, complete with hashtags in seconds. So there is no prompting involved here. You just answer a couple of questions, and within a few seconds, you will have a list of ready to publish posts for whatever idea you have. So we first need to tell it what we want to post about. So let's just say I own a coffee shop. So I'm going to say a local coffee shop is launching a new summer drink, an iced honey lavender latte. Then you choose your platform and tone. But before that, you can optionally add any key points, your link, or a call to action. So let's fill this out right now. So I said available starting Friday, made with local honey, house-made lavender syrup, and oat milk or dairy milk. And customers can get 10% off this weekend only. And the CTA is to stop by and try it. Now, the more information you can provide, the better. Next, you can choose which platform you wanted to generate the content for. Let's choose Instagram, and we could choose from a variety of tones here. Now, since we want to promote a new product and have people come into our coffee shop, I'm going to select urgent as the tone, then click on generate posts and give it a few seconds here. And here we have 3 posts that the tool generated for us. So this first one is the urgent summer launch. So it says, summer's sweetest sip is almost here. Starting Friday, we're pouring our new iced honey lavender latte made with local honey, house-made lavender syrup, and your choice of oat milk or dairy milk. And this week can only enjoy 10% off your first taste, so on and so forth. And then this is, of course, the main call to action, which is to stop by and try it before the weekend rush hits. And it's smart, right? Because we mentioned that this is launching on Friday. So I like how it phrased it in that way. So before the weekend rush hits. And then we have our relevant hashtags right here. And this one is the second one. Your next favorite ice drink drops Friday. And this is a description of that and the 10% off. And this is the third one here. So limited time offer. So don't wait on this one. It's a weekend only deal. So these are actually not too bad. They read pretty well and it doesn't immediately scream AI generated. Now, if you want, you can have it generate more for you. And it added 3 more. So urgent launch offer. So a new summer favorite lands this Friday. First try urgency framing, and then limited time hype framing for this 6th one. Now, after you generate these posts, you could see how many tokens you've consumed at the top right here, so you can keep track. So as you could see, a very simple, high quality, and free social media post generator you could use. And I will include a link to this in the description below. And that was just one of 5 other social media tools from Keywords Everywhere. You have your Instagram bio generator, an Instagram name generator, a caption generator, and even a YouTube tag generator as well. And I will include a link to this page below as well, so you could check all of these out today. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.